Hello and welcome back to Idle Time Barbecue. Today we're going to be smoking a boneless turkey breast on our pellet grill. So let's get close and let's start preparing it. The preparation is really easy. This is you can see it has skin on. I did dry it off, and it's a good size turkey breast. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some olive oil on it because I want to really make sure that the skin comes out really crispy. We're going to do that on both sides. I think I'm going to start on this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to put Swine Life Mississippi grind, primarily because it has sugar first. So it's kind of got a sweeter component with paprika to add color. So we're going to start by putting a good dose of that on the bottom side here. We want to make sure we kind of get in any of these little nooks and crannies. Like this here has a, kind of this cut in the middle. There we go. Okay, so I think I'm going to pat it in. And then on this side, we're going to do the same. I'm going to maybe go a little heavier because I'd like to get it on the, get really good skin color, really good skin texture. I'm going to see if I can get, there's some under here. I'm going to do the same. Okay, there we go. And let's just get a little more on there. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for a bit while we get the pellet grill up to temp, and we're gonna go pretty hot for the first, 20-25 minutes, probably 450 degrees, so that we can really crisp up that skin. And then we'll finish it off. We'll take it down to 350 and finish it off till it's done. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a meter probe. I want to get it kind of in a thick part here, so I'm going to just kind of stick it right there, I think. We'll also put the probe in from the pellet grill. And when we put it on the grill, I will dust it off for the places where we kind of touched it. So let's get the pellet grill started and let's get this cooking. So our pellet grill's at 450 degrees. We're now going to put the turkey breast on. Put it right there in the middle. On there some good sizzle, which is great. And we're going to take the pellet grill's probe and we're going to stick that in as well. So we have two things. And we're going to be shooting for 165 degrees. I'm also going to dose it with more seasoning to make sure we have good coverage. So let's get, I really want to get a good crust on it, and I really want that flavor to come through. So we're going to let that go probably for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to turn it down to finish it off. It's been about 15 minutes, so let's see what it looks like. It's about 100 degrees on it, and this is tightening up nicely. I think what we're going to do is, I want to slow down the cook a little bit, so we're going to change it to 350 degrees and let it cook until it gets to the 160, 165, 167 degrees. We've been cooking the turkey breast for just under an hour, and it's reached 165, 166 degrees. And let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, not quite as crispy as I was hoping for, but it still looks good. So we're going to take it off and let it rest. Okay, so we finally got the probe out. It was a bit stuck in there. So let's get the breast off, and we're going to let it rest, and then we'll see how we did. We just pulled the turkey breast off the grill. It's about 165 degrees. We're going to let it rest until it gets to about 155, 160. So the temp isn't going up, the temp's going down. And the crust, or the skin, isn't as crispy as I was hoping for. But I think that it'll still be good because it has lots of seasoning on it. Looks like there's a good amount of crust on it anyways. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it, please subscribe.